Hi, friends. Hope everybody is nice in their good health and mind. And it's like the mind and body, which absolutely, works in union with each other to give us the most happy and successful existence. So that is very important. That part is very important. So today, I have designed this video with some beautiful whites. I've just named it White Passion. I'm very passionate about white color, and the white color, is the message of peace. It's it's a the color which definitely acts very tranquil. It gives tranquility, it gives calmness, it soothes every upheavals around. White reflects, it does not absorb anything, it only reflects. So basically, even if you are among various it's a, I mean, kind of a varied kind of a situation, varied kind of elements in the system surroundings around you, then also white would help you reflect the negativity, not absorb it. So, I mean, white is something which we should always wear on and off, and white can just, the white base is of course the base for all the designing. So the colors play on whites like none other. So I mean, so that's the part of the white. So quickly I just would showcase all the latest whites which I have in my treasure. So the first one, I'll just start with some hand blocks. So the first one, it's a little creamish white, not milk white. So that these are lovely hand block sarees. Just not even, the sides have not been done yet. So the sides need to be done. But I just couldn't resist showcasing these sarees to you. So the whole saree has this kind of a getup. The whole saree has this kind of a getup. Basically, these are missing, these are missing weaves, kind of a weave in the fabric. Absolutely beautiful mull cottons, beautiful mull cottons. So this is the appeal of the sari. That's the appeal of the sari. And so these are all I have designed it along with the horizontal lines, so that the whole body looks absolutely wrapped up. The whole body looks absolutely wrapped up. So that's the color combination. That's the palla. The palla is not very distinct, but it's the whole body of the sari which has this kind of a glam look. So that's very nicely, neatly hand blocked. See, it's olive with lemon yellow and black. The combination is olive green, lemon yellow, and black. So that's the whole set of the sari. So I have not given any blouses with this because any kind of blouse would do. But if someone prefers, can team up like this. This kind of an ikkat. It's a handloom ikkat fabric. So this kind of blouse would go very well with this sari. So that is the combination in here. So first one is this. The second combination is Firoza and black. So the second is a Firoza and black combination. I have given a different hand block border. All the borders are black. I mean, it has a concept. The sarees have a concept. So this is like this. This is, see, the white rose. Can you see? The white rose hand block, and this is the Firoza color. This is the Firoza color with black. So that's the saree getup. So that's the complete saree. These are like very tempting, very wearable, and I would say they are smart and quite sensual when you wear it. It gives a different level of sensuality. See this whole sari. When you drape it like this, see how beautifully it is getting draped, because it's lovely soft mull cotton and this kind of missing weave kind of a. So that's the sari, and that's the whole sari. That's the whole panel. This kind of, the complete panel is like this. Beautiful color combination, beautiful, very summer friendly color combination. And we can have this kind of an ajrak hand block blouse with the sari. This goes very well. Or else you can just team any color, any color. I've just given this, this fabric. I mean, I'm just showcasing. These blouses are not actually with these saris, but then I'm just showcasing. But I'm sure you can have any kind of, printed blouse or plain blouse or just a sleeveless turquoise blouse with this. That would look mind blowing, I tell you. The third combination is another beauty. It's in peach and black combination. That's combination number 3, which is peach and black. So here, if you can see these are hand blocked twice. Can you see the white base under these plants, these leaves actually? So it is hand blocked twice to give a shadow effect. I don't know whether it's very clear here because I think the phone can't capture. My phone is actually not behaving correct. So that's the shadow effect in the hand block. So what we have done is that we have the base is hand blocked with white color. Can you see the white sticks here? Yeah. And then the black is given on top of that, little shifted. 2 leaves shifted. So it has given a shadow effect. So that's the color combination. It's very pretty. It's very subtle and very, very pretty. So that's the whole drape. And perfect for summer. Monsoon, summer, and any kind of party. Any kind of office. You can wear it in any shopping, chatting, go with your friends and meet somewhere. So these kind of sarees are really very trendy and very smart looking. The kids also can wear it actually. The children nowadays, girls are really into wearing mom's sarees. So these kind of sarees are all for girls. The young girls also can wear it as well as us. We call ourselves what? Aging gracefully. So this kind of a blouse can team up. It is a stitched blouse. This can go with this. Actually, any kind of blouses will go. So I have just given this kind of a, sample blouse that if you want, this blouses can come. These blouses can come with extra cost. Yeah. See, my peach top is also going quite well. So that's the blouse. That's the blouse and the saree. My peach top is actually going quite well. So this is number 3. Number 4 is a Bengal cotton. This is white. Those were off whites and this is white. Can you see the camera also is little, see the white. This is pristine white. So this is a Bengal cotton. This is a Bengal cotton saree. How beautiful, anybody who would see it from the front can't leave this saree. So that's the palla. That's the hand block palla. I have done it in a little, abstract combination. See, these kind of hand blocks in peach and olive green. The color is little coming dull, I guess, in the camera, but it is like this. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Then these are the, hand blocks. The rows, top of the rows have given this kind of a block. And this squares are also hand blocked in the, in the border. So this is in a Madhyamani kind of a pattern. What very traditional Bengal weave, dhania khalis and all have this kind of a pattern, the Madhyamani, where the line runs in the middle of the sari. The weave runs in the middle of the sari. So this is the pleat part is this. The pleat part is this. So like this. Very, very trendy, fashionable and elegant at the same time. So that's the sari. I'll click and, share pictures. But till then, you can just watch the video and have a screenshot and, send it across. So that's a Bengal cotton. That's sari number 4. Sari number 5, another pristine white. Pristine white. That was pristine white. This is another pristine white beauty. This is a jamdani. This is a jamdani. This is, see, the hand woven jamdani in a silver. It's a rose silver color. This is a rose silver color. So these are the motifs. If you can see this handloom jamdani motifs. So these are the motifs on the palla. These are the motifs on the palla. And the sari has very soft 120 count fabric sari. So I have given this as the So the hand block are these leaves as the hand block. See this banyan leaf, and so that's the jamdani. So the whole sari has this jamdani silver motifs, and these are completely hand woven motifs. So, and the front part has this leaf and the the pattern, leaf and flower pattern in hand block, and the pleats will have this kind of a jal, see, this is, see the beautiful and the finesse of the work, the finesse of the hand block. See the finesse of the hand block artist. Now these are also, there also is the jamdani buttas there inside. The whole sari has this jamdani buttas. The whole sari, actually, the whole sari. See, here you can understand from the back that the weave is done. So that's the pleats part. So whoever is gaga over whites, whoever passionate about white, shouldn't leave this sari at all. So that's the pleats. So that's the pleat part. The whole pleat is like this. Very, very, very smart. And so that's the sari. That's the palla. That's the palla. That's the pleats. Beautiful pleats. And that's the blouse. So the blouse has this kind of a hand block. Blouse is more than a meter, so you can make a full sleeve blouse. That would look much more, much more elegant. You can have a full sleeve blouse. This is the border of the blouse, and the whole blouse piece is, hand block like this. So that's the whole blouse piece. That's the whole blouse piece, and that's the sari. It's in silver, white. The next one is another jamdani weave. Yeah, as you can see. So this is also very pretty, but not as decorative as that one. That is more decorative, and that's more tricky to weave. So this has this, the weave is all over, and I have given this kind of a hand block, these kind of lotus red and black kind of a hand block all over, with a nice border, smart border. So this is the palla, where the lotus have come beautifully. The whole body is with this kind of jamdani butta. So that's the whole body. So that is the whole body. So the pleats will have this. So another mesmerizing white. This is little off-white. And those two were pristine white. So you can team up this sari with this kind of a red ikkat blouse. It's a cotton silk fabric in ikkat, handloom ikkat fabric. So this fabric can be teamed up with the sari as the blouse. The sari and the blouse. Take a screenshot and please write to me. So then we come to another. It's not quite white. It is little beige and white, hand painted. Beige color. It's a monsoon series. It's one of the saris from my Chanderi monsoon series. One is sold, and the other one here. The other one is here. See the sari. These are my paintings only. which have been done by the skilled artist on the sari. So that's the monsoon color. See the sky and everything. See the color palette. That's the sky effect. That's the sky. That's a dark monsoon clouds in the sky. And that's the ground. So these are the colors. These are the flowers, and that's the ground with little water droplets all around because it's raining. So that's the body of the sari. The body of the sari also has this kind of, raindrop buttas, raindrop buttas, all hand painted. And it's a light beige kind of a color, light beige kind of a color. From a distance, the color is coming like better. So that's the pleats, the all over, the border, lower border of the pleats have beautiful painting. The lower border of the pleats have beautiful painting. A very, very aristocratic and elegant sari. A very, very aristocratic and elegant sari. See the whole palla. It's a pure handloom chanderi. Pure handloom silk by cotton chanderi. And that's the blouse. So this part is the blouse. This part is the blouse. This is the blouse back, this painting. And the sleeves can have these flowers. The sleeves can have these flower. So it is the others will come, but this is one of the, 2 sarees arrived to me, and so this is the second one. The first one is sold. So that's from the monsoon series. That's from the monsoon series. See how beautiful is the saree? How beautiful. It's an understated elegance. Yeah. See. These are all very unique sarees. You would definitely not find anywhere. That I can guess. Blended organza with machine embroidery. This is blended organza, not a pure one. Blended organza with machine embroidery. So that's like a pretty one, a pretty neat one, a pretty neat one. So that's the one. Very nice and very flowery and flowy kind of a fabric. So this is the embroidery is very neat. It's inspired by Parsi Gara weave, though this is machine. So, but the embroidery is inspired by Parsi Gara. So the top, border will have this, and the lower border, the embroidery runs top and down, and the bodies have small embroidered flower. So that's also in a very nice white shade. So that's the pleat. That's the pleat. That's the pleat of the sari, and that's the pallu. That's the pallu. The whole pallu has this kind of an embroidery. The whole pallu and the sleeves, the blouse will have this 2-sleeve work. The blouse will have this kind of flowers on the sleeves. Organza. This is a pure organza, pure silk organza. Another very, very beautiful sari. This is a pure silk organza with another embroidery is absolute resembling hand embroidery, though it's a machine done work. And there is this, crochet, this cotton crochet lace all over on the so that's the one. This is a pure organza sari. This is a pure organza sari, and so that's the, see, that's the this buta will come on the, this kind of a branching will come on the corner, from the corner on the palla, and the rest of the sari has this kind of buta all over. See, all over, no, I mean it's on the pleats basically. One each on the pleats, one each on the pleats. All over the pleats you have this bunches. The floral bunches will come like this. So that's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. It's very, very pretty and a hot selling one actually. It's very pretty and a hot selling one. And so that's the blouse. So with this we have given a satin cotton blouse, and with this kind of an embroidery. With this kind of an embroidery matching with the sari. Matching with the sari and the back and sleeves. This kind of an embroidery matching with the sari on the back and sleeves. See this one. Another very pretty monsoon organza. Sari in pure silk by cotton handloom chanderi. So this is a handloom chanderi sari. This is a handloom chanderi sari which I have given an hand block design. So that part is the palla. So palla has this gold weave. Palla has this gold weave, beautiful gold weave, and it is completely pure handloom. So you can see the back also. It is completely hand woven. See, it is completely hand woven. It's a woven in chanderi. So the whole sari I have given very nice subtle blocks. See this kind of blocks. The selvage has a reddish pink kind of a border. So one is this tree of life block, and one is this kind of a circular. And so this beautiful subtle combination, and the whole sari has zari buta woven, and the whole sari has this kind of a look. The whole sari has this kind of a look. An amazingly beautiful sari. I mean, this is, kind of this. These are the combinations which can make anybody look elegant. Anybody. And I have given such a beautiful blouse. See the jal work on the blouse. Can you see the gold and red? This is the gold and red jal. Red, I mean, that pink red kind of a color, and gold jal. So, full 1 meter of blouse like this. So, the blouse, when you wear the sari with this blouse, see the getup. See the getup. Take a screenshot and write to me about the details. So that's another white gone. Another white you can see over here is a pure linen sari. It's a pure linen white sari. It's a handloom woven linen sari in off-white color. So this is kind of a tangail kind of a border we have given. The weaver has given, and it's a handloom weave. See the motifs. So it's a pure full sari actually. I was just thinking. See the whole weave. Lovely. It is a Ganga Yamuna border with the red and blue combination. So that's the whole sari. The whole sari has this kind of a woven, woven flowers. So that's the pleats. The blue part will come down and the red part will be up. So, and the blouse from running when there are no motifs, only the borders are given. So that's another pure linen by linen. Very nice, very light, and a very drapey sari. Very drapey sari. It's quite smart and elegant. Then we come to another creative sari actually. This is a creative sari where the palla. See, this is the cut work. It's not cut work, it's basically a machine embroidery looking like cut work. There is nothing cut into it. So this palla has this, and again the pleat part has this hand block. So it's basically a partly pallu kind of a concept. Where this nice pink hand block is given. See how beautiful is the sari. So that's the hand block on the palla and on the pleats. And it's a very nice embroidery. See, it's a very nice floral embroidery. A little bit of touch of gold here, a gold touch, and very nice embroidery. It's a happy white. It's a happy looking white sari. It's a happy looking off-white sari, not a white one. It's an off-white. It can go up to 46. So this is the blouse. So the blouse has this design on the sleeves. See this design on the sleeves. The blouse has this kind of design on the sleeves. So the sleeves will come like this. And the back has this kind of a pattern. A little twisting with the design. And so that's the combo, sari and blouse. This blouse comes along with the sari. The sari, yeah, the blouse comes along with the sari for this. Okay, so, and I think last but not the least, what I can see right now is this sari. This this is a Kasavu, Kerala Kasavu sari. Beautiful one, a beautiful gold weave and line weave the whole sari. That's the complete sari. The border is olive green. The border is olive green with gold motif, olive green and gold combination. So the whole sari has this. It's. I have left the weave as it is. Only I have given a beautiful back in the painting. This is the back of the blouse. See how beautiful, how beautiful. This is the back painting of the blouse. That's the back painting of the blouse. And these will come on your sleeves. This part will come on your sleeves. This part. So the sleeves will have from here to here. So this part will be on your sleeves. So the sari has that kind of a getup. So this is also off-white, not that pristine white. So, and it's a lovely palla. So these are very graceful. It's called a graceful collection of whites. So I finish my video here, and please let me know anything you want to know in details. We'll write to you. Thank you.